right here, I think it's ready for my noodles to dip in. So I'm just gonna get rid of this. I'm just gonna get rid of this pack. This is the powder. That's the powder. Oh my God. So I'm gonna put the noodles in and kind of stir the noodles until these separated. One burner, and let it cook a little bit. Oh no, when you cook noodles, it's just very easy. Just boil water, stir, and put something. If you want noodles with protein, just add some eggs. If you're a vegetarian, you can cook noodles with vegetables. And I'll put some of these eggs here. See? 1 egg, 2 eggs. Ooh, that's a lot of eggshells right there. I'm gonna remove the eggshells. Oh, what is it? Come on. I got you. But you got you? No, I didn't. I don't know, I can't find it, but I'm gonna continue breaking this eggs. So I have 2 no, that's 3 eggs. I'm going to wash my hands. I washed my hands already, and so I have to, that's kind of dry now. Put this low and put that high. So okay, that's the noodles loaded with protein. I know the Asian people knows this, but for some people who don't know how to put, for some people who don't know that we can cook noodles, and we can cook noodles with lots of eggs. So I made this video for you. I added a little bit of water, and so I pour this powder, and it's gonna be so good. So this is kind of healthy now because you got the protein. When you have protein in your food, you don't get hungry easily. It's loaded with protein. Okay, now it's done. And I pour it in my bowl, and it's ready to eat. tasteful. This is so good. So I think a lot of people like to cook with their noodles. Now this is the Asian version of noodles. We put some eggs. You can add some spices, and I'm gonna eat it. Oh, tastes so good. I'm gonna cook another noodles with vegetables. And so I have the water here in a pot. Look at the bottom. That's the noodles, the first one that I cook with the eggs. And this time cooking noodles loaded with vegetables. It's boiling now, so I have to put this. This is a chicken flavor this time. See, this is a chicken flavor. So I'm gonna keep stirring this one so they will separate, and then later on I have to put some vegetables. You know, some vegetables. Okay, let me get some vegetables in the freezer. It's all great value because the great value is the cheapest one. Now that's the water is boiling, so with the noodles, so I'm gonna look for some vegetables in my freezer so I could put the vegetables in the noodle pan. This is my freezer here. There's so much here, so I'm gonna decide which one that I'm going to. That's all. That I'm going to mix it with my noodles. My God, I still have this. Hi, dried fish. Dried fish. Can you imagine that? Dried fish. And then when this is cooked, everybody will run when I'm cooking dried fish. They are going somewhere. And so I have this one. Let me see on the other freezer if other kind. Okay. I have loaded of great volume products here. Well, let's put I think that's all the vegetables that I have. What's in my freezer? Now this is rice. I put the rice in the freezer because every time I cook, we can't eat everything. When my friends are coming, we can't eat everything. So I just have to put it in here to freeze, and then when they come back, and I have to just put it or microwave it. Because it's plenty of vegetables, different kind compared to which one compared to this one here. So that's carrots, green beans, and peas. This one here, it's got some broccolis and some cauliflowers. So I'll take this one. Close that. So I decided to use this California style vegetable mix because it's got different kinds of vegetable. Pour it in my pan. different cook. I'm not like those other people. When they cook, it's so fancy, but not me. This is real me here. And I will put this powder also. You can add some more spices if you want. And I'm covering it. So it's already cooked. So look at that. That's how you cook noodles with vegetables if you like vegetables. And I already turned off the stove. Okay, I could eat some now. Have this plate here. I just taste a little bit because I'm going to my friend eat lunch there. So that's it. That's noodles with vegetables. So that's the noodles loaded with protein. I know the look is not very that good because I'm a mess. So, but you can add some more water to make it look good. But